Good morning, friends. This is El Caminero of Burungan. I am now in Nula-Tula, Tacloban, Barangay 723, Lower Nula-Tula. So, I am going to Toyota Tacloban to have to inquire the check, because the battery level, water level of the car is already suspicious to be parang kakaunti na siya. And then the water coolant of this car is already on the low level, so I will inquire some of the mechanics in Toyota Tacloban for whether it is free service or with payment. So I will go right now. Let's go, my friend, go. Okay, my friends, I will ask the price of the battery coolant and the wiper, liquid wiper. Siguro, the cashier is not here. I am waiting for him. So let's I inquired the cashier about the charges for the engine oil is 350 per liter. The coolant 1 gallon is 520.27 centavos, and the windshield washer fluid is 130.98. We cannot have a pre-service for now, so I just have to inquire outside about this I have to inquire outside for this oil, because I think more lesser price. Okay. For now, my friends, I finished with my activity as the inquiry about I have to go. I have to live in this Toyota Tacloban premises. Thank you very much. Please like and share, my friend. Goodbye.